Welcome back to Slade on Slade. It's my good buddy Huxley right now. Oliver's in there running around, probably in the freezer. And I'm Dad, better known as Onan. Today, we're going to be doing something different. Today, we got something as a surprise. I want to gauge his reaction. What do you think's in the bag?
Godzilla.
Godzilla. There's a really good chance it's not a Godzilla. Boom!
Oh!
Or what about the record player? There you go. You want to get in close, Mommy, so you can see that? This set comes with a couple of records, a guitar, and an amplifier. This comes with 2 speakers, a table, and then you got yourself a turntable, and automatically comes with Beethoven, which is good. And I think that's all when it comes to accessories. It might have a milk crate in there. I'm just not 100% sure. And then on top of that, we got
a vending machine.
Vending machine. Yep. Well, we got 2 of them. We got the red and teal vending machine. These work. Push the button, and I will spit out the individual thing. They're a little taller for a 1/12 scale figure, but it sure beats an $80 price for some of the 3D printed vending machines out there. I'm not saying they're bad. It's just I got to go economical when it comes to buying toys for the boys and myself. And then Mom's also a toy collector, although she likes a radically different type of toy.
Can I see something?
When it comes to you like those import girls. You want to see how big it is compared to him?
Yes.
All right. Oh, see, now this is perfect size for Toraton. Is it Toraton or? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, she was radical, but you're going to have a Valiverse figure going to have a little hard time hitting the button up here. What's your favorite color, teal or red?
Both.
Okay. And we actually have a couple of the balls that go to this set. I just didn't bring them out. I think 2 or 3 of those. And then
You brought 3.
what was the other one we just got? It's like a Miniverse Real World Products. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? We like to buy that. Everybody in the family enjoys a good blind bag here and there when it comes to certain stuff. Me, I like Savage Crucible blind bags because, I've been getting lucky fairly well with those. So what do you think of that? Is that fun? All right. We'll break this out and play with this later tomorrow because I want you to play with these tonight. Tonight's a He-Man night. So what do you think, huh?
I want to play with them both.
No. He-Man doesn't play with records.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't. That's how we get things lost in the living room. We got a expensive toy on the loose. So,
What's expensive toy?
Your brother got a hold of one of the import figures. It's $100, and boom. So, what do you think? You're excited about that? We wanted to do just another quick video. We got a couple of more McFarlane videos coming up. What are we doing? Medusa?
Yes.
Is there a dragon, or did we do a dragon already?
We already did the dragon.
Okay, so we got Medusa and the what? Yeah. McFarlane doesn't do vehicles. No, the old McFarlane from the 90s? No, I don't know.
No, there's an orange vehicle in my area.
Oh, no. That's stuff that's already out of the package. No. Got a couple of more of the vintage McFarlane fantasy figures back in the day. The ones that break out of the package. So, well, hey, this has been Slade on Slade. I want to say thank you to everybody. We are getting so close to 500. Couldn't do it without you. I know you got a lot of other people out there who are doing it a lot better than us, but hey, we all got to start somewhere. In the beginning, I wasn't a good writer. Shameless plug, I am a novelist. I have been for almost 20 years now. I got a good amount of bestsellers under my belt. I ghostwrite, and the only way you can find out what I did as a bestseller is you got to hire me through my company, and then the company can say this is how many they got. But long and the short of it, we all start off somewhere. We end up somewhere else. And it's hard when you got the greats like Yo Joe Jerk in there, Articulated Ninja. D Amazing's got good photography, although, hold on to your hats, guys. I actually went to school in the military for combat photography, and my Pinocchio video is coming out, the Broken Fairy Tales Pinocchio. And it's about time to show the world. Oh, no, I already put the photos out. I didn't put the video out. Time to show the world that I know how to use a camera. So I don't think we got enough art photography guys out there when it comes to toys. I think everybody should try their hand at it. You know, simple tricks of light and shadow is going to make your artwork explode. Plus, the giant He-Man diorama video is about to premiere. World's largest He-Man diorama. You're not going to find one bigger than that. And yeah, it's coming up. See, there's a little commercials coming up right there. You know, what do you think?
Good.
Yeah, you had a hand in helping me build the diorama too. So, all right, you want to say goodbye to our friends?
Bye.
Again, we couldn't do it without you. We greatly appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, whatever you have time for. But either way, leave me a comment. You know, leave me an emoji, whatever. You could leave me your dinner request. Okay, the comment and the like help the algorithm. I don't need to tell you that. You already know this. Okay.
And what's your favorite snack?
Yeah, we won't mind. You know, we're snack guys. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely tell I'm a snack guy. Okay. Thank you again for all the subscribers. Thank you to the brand new subscribers if you're brand new right now. And we hope to see you in the future. Hopefully, some of you guys are coming to Titans, Toy Unity, and Legions. The Slades will be there for all three this year. So, see you then. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.